Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, we will be making a Python project on PyCharm with step-by-step guide. If you don't understand anything, feel free to ask in comments. Today, we will make a simple project which will take 1 to 9 numbers input from the user, and will then convert them into segmented form. Building this project will boost your Python programming skills and give you a fun, hands-on experience with the Turtle module for creating graphical applications. After importing the Turtle library and the Turtle, I am defining the pen function, which includes the pen properties. Now I am defining the gap function, which defines the gap before and after a segment. The move function is used to make a segment. I will show you. Fix some syntax errors I made with me. This is a segment made by move function. Let's change its size. The skip function will be used to skip the distance of one segment. The turn function will skip one segment after turning to right. The home function will be used for going to the start. Now we will make the 7 segments for complete numbers using our functions. I will be showing you where each segment settles. I am using alphabets to store the segments. Understanding how the function works is your task. This will take some time but will improve your understanding skills. By the end of this video, you will understand how each segment works. Now I'll just be building the 7 segments and showing you the result. Copy me and type the same code on your computer. Now we are ready for using our functions for constructing numbers. I will be defining all 9 numbers by using these functions we made. The work of these functions is easy to understand. However, how the alphabetic functions work are important and a bit tricky to understand. For that, you must review the above code until you get how it works. Now let's see if the number is written successfully. Now we will take input from user to know which number he wants to be shown. Its value will be stored in variable I. We will write a loop to determine which number to be displayed on which response. Now we will handle invalid response from user gracefully. Copy and paste the loop for another number to be displayed. This time the user's response will be stored in the variable I. Now let's check if it works. We will reset the display for second loop and use the pen function to set the pen properties for the second loop. As you can see, our project is completed and working successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.